Hello everyone, welcome to this Chakra Meditation for healing and relaxation. Let us begin by finding a comfortable position, preferably sitting on the floor with legs crossed. You can prop a pillow under your hips to help you sit straighter. Ground your sit bones into the cushion and lengthen your spine. Gently roll your shoulders back. Align your neck, spine, and hips in one straight line. Take a few moments to settle into your posture, allowing your body and mind to relax. Now bring your attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension or tightness in your body. Again, take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm now. As we begin this chakra meditation, we'll focus on balancing and harmonizing the energy centers in our body, known as the chakras. These chakras are located along the central channel of our body, parallel to the spine. Take a long and deep breath in, and as you exhale, move your attention to the base of your spine. Feel the weight of your body resting on your root chakra or the Mooladhara, your chakra for support and belonging. See your root chakra connecting you to the ground below. Breathe into your roots and see them taking in the energy and nourishment from the earth. Visualize the color red. See your roots slowly becoming red, grounding you in the here and now. Feel the earth supporting your existence and your being unconditionally. Take a moment here to breathe and relax into this grounding energy. When you're ready, move your attention to your lower abdomen, just below your navel, to your sacral or the Swadhisthana chakra, the seat of your creativity, emotional intelligence, and pleasure. Breathe into this chakra and see it gently expand like ripples on the surface of a lake. See it flowing and moving freely like water. Visualize the color orange bathing the ripples and your chakra. Feel the water nourishing and satisfying all your needs and creative urges. Move your awareness up to the area below your sternum, between the chest and the navel, to the solar plexus or the Manipura chakra. This chakra represents personal power and confidence. Breathe into your chakra and see it fill up with fiery flames. Feel the transformational heat and energy of fire, which changes everything that crosses its path. Visualize the color yellow bathing your chakra like bright sunlight, replenishing and nourishing it like the sun nourishes all life on our planet. Feel your power getting stronger, power to serve, to help and to nurture other beings and your environment. When ready, bring your awareness to the center of your chest, to your heart or the Anahat chakra, the chakra of love, compassion, and empathy. Breathe into your chakra and see it soften and lighten as you breathe. Feel it expanding outwards and gently caressing everything it touches, like moving air. Visualize the color green, the rich, sprouting color of spring. Feel the fresh air renewing your chakra and the color green healing and providing new life to it. See your heart expanding and sending love, kindness, and compassion to all the beings of the universe. Now move up to your throat or the Vishuddha chakra, the chakra of self-expression and your personal truth. Breathe into your chakra and see it sending soft vibrations into the space. Visualize the color blue bathing your chakra. Feel the chakra opening and clearing, freeing your ability to express your truth. Breathe into the Vishuddha chakra. When you're ready, move your awareness to the center of your forehead, between your eyebrows, to the third eye or the Ajnana chakra, the chakra of intuition and insight. Visualize a deep indigo color bathing your chakra, bringing clarity, insight, and heightening your intuition. Breathe into this intuitive energy, trusting your inner guidance. Finally, move up to the ground or the Sahasrara chakra at the top of your head, your connection to higher consciousness or divine spirit. Breathe into the chakra and feel it opening to the sky above. Visualize a purple light softly bathing your crown chakra and gently harmonizing you with the rest of the creation. Feel your oneness with all there is. Visualize the 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple, and feel the support, nourishment, strength, love, truth, insight, and the connectedness. Take a few moments now to visualize all the chakras aligned and balanced, creating a harmonious flow of energy throughout your body. Feel a sense of inner relaxation, calmness, and peace. Bring your focus back to the rising and falling of your breath. Feel the perfection of the moment and bask in your own perfection. May the balanced and harmonized energy within your chakras continue to nurture and support your overall well-being. Whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes and carry the sense of relaxation and balance with you as you go about your day. Namaste.